Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera not focusing issue on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to solve this problem, first of all open camera app. And now click on 0.5x zoom from 1 and then move away the object from the camera. After moving away the object from camera, the focus will start working, and if it's not working then auto lock the focus. Press and hold on the object to auto lock the focus, and it will auto lock the focus. So that's how you can auto lock the focus. So if it's not working, then open the camera app, and if you are in portrait mode and the autofocus is not working, then go to photos, and if it's not working then clean the camera lens with a soft tissue or anything, and then open and close camera 2 to 3 times. And if it's still don't fix your problem, then restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right to power off your iPhone, and again power on your iPhone. So after restarting, if it's still not working properly, then open settings, and in settings click on general. Now in general click on software update, and then update your software to latest version. If you have not updated the iOS to latest version, then update it. And after updating the iOS, reset your all settings. Open settings and then click on general, and then scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset, and then click on reset all settings. Now enter your lock screen passcode, and to confirm reset all settings, again click on reset all settings. It will reset your all settings without deleting your data from gallery. So I hope it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching.